Hi everyone, welcome back if you are new here. My name is Nusha, and as always, it's wonderful to have you here. I have a habit of looking for something and ending up purchasing something totally different. Again, I was looking on Etsy for something and I saw this beautiful oracle deck, and it was love at first sight. And of course, the main reason was I have a tarot deck that I have quite a struggle to find a perfect oracle for it. So I'm definitely sure that this oracle deck matches that tarot. So without a further ado, let's jump into it. Omens of the East comes with this beautifully done box, and it says Omens of the East is a deck that incorporates various omens, signs, and beliefs deeply rooted in Asian cultural foundations, blending them into an oracle card. And we have 81 oracle cards. And inside the box, you have your number of the copy that you have. Mine is 619. This deck found you for a reason. And honestly, I do believe that. So let me show you inside the box what we have. Okay. So we have a nice digital guidebook that I will show you at the end, the digital one, and also you have a physical copy of the guidebook, and it has also English version here. Let me put the box aside, and if I can get the deck. That's the beautiful bag. Nice black edge. The card quality is amazing. Let's look at the cards. So beautiful. You might already guessed which tarot deck I'm referring to. So When I saw this deck on Etsy, I immediately uh, thought about my Terra Volatile Tarot. This is a deck that I love it, but I have really problem to find a perfect matching oracle deck. And this oracle deck kind of gave me the vibe of this tarot deck. So if you are not familiar with this deck, I have a quite detailed walkthrough of this deck that I will put somewhere on top. You can check. And but just let's see how they work together. I never tried them because I just received this oracle deck and this is the first time actually I'm putting them side by side. So I'm so excited to see if my original assumption was correct. So from the card quality and the feeling wise, it's really feel very similar to Tarot Volatile. Of course, this one I think has a bit a better quality compared to this. But let's see. Honestly, I think they are perfect match, especially the circles that we have here. We have them on some cards. Let me see if I can find. You see? Oh my gosh, I think they are perfectly matching each other. Look at it. So beautiful. I'm so excited. Sorry. They are the perfect match. I think I couldn't find any better oracle to match my Terra Volatile. Let's see. I mean, even these golden lines, look, they have like quite similarity. And honestly, at first glance, I thought they are from the same creator or studio, but not. Even if you look at the box, now just got my attention. Look at the signs here. They are not similar, but kinda. Even the box have a similar vibe. So I don't know. Let me know in comments below. What do you think? Or do you have also any other oracle decks that matches Terra Volatile? Let me know also because I'm really looking for the perfect match for this deck. But currently I'm so happy with these two. I think that's it. They are the perfect partner for each other. Beautiful. So let's quickly check the guidebook for the oracle. So this is the first time I'm shuffling this deck. So let's enjoy it. Oh, it's so smooth. Lovely. Okay. Beautiful. It's so fun to shuffle high quality decks. So let's quickly grab one card. Okay, this one wants to show up. Fallen lashes. Oh my gosh, I'm so curious about this because I always forget what does it mean when you have lashes on your face somewhere. Oopsie. Oh my gosh, I don't have a space. So let's look at it a bit in detail. Beautiful. And it's amazing that we have numbers. Lovely. So to mention that, I purchased this from Etsy, but it comes from Thailand. So the creator is based in Thailand. So that's why you have two language here. So let me find number 5. Fallen lashes. Keyword encounter thoughts, good luck. Upright, you will meet or hear from someone you have been thinking about. Oh, interesting. Let me see. Who am I thinking about? Hopefully, not any of my exes is coming back. And nice that we have reversal also. Beautiful. Okay, so let's check the digital guidebook and see if there is any difference between this one and the physical one we saw. Oh, it's colorful. Beautiful. So we have index, nice. So we had number 5. Let's go. I already can see that there is way more information here than the physical one. So, fallen lashes. A golden eyelash falls from closed eyes, drifting above two figures in white standing on a green tree. Soft golden rings encircle them, glowing like destiny's embrace. This omen speaks of heartfelt wishes and reunion. Your message of love has reached its mark. Beautiful. And I love that. It gives a bit of explanation on what's happening on the card. That's what I want to see in every single tarot or oracle deck that I buy. Just tell me what I'm seeing this because sometimes there are things that I cannot just make sense of them. So that's good to have this kind of descriptions. So the keyboard meeting, longing, good fortune. Okay, that's different what had from what we had in the physical one. And reunion upright. Let me bring it a bit upper. Okay. A sign of meeting or receiving news from someone you have been missing, be it an old lover, close friend, family member, or someone once distant. This card often appears when the heart seeks confirmation that its feelings have not been in vain, and fate is guiding someone back to you. And we have a reversal also. So it's a yes card. Nice. And then we have per category explanation career, finance, health, love. Beautiful. And here, reading guides and tips. This card often appears when the heart has not yet forgotten something. It confirms that what you send out will not vanish into the void. Beautiful. And also some possible combination. Oh my gosh, so beautiful. I'm so happy with this deck. This was a deck that I really wanted to show you, and I was really waiting for its arrival from Thailand. So I'm so happy that I have it. I'm so amazed by the detail, the artwork, and the guidebook. And let me know also in the comments how do you feel about this deck? Did you also like it or not? And for now, I will go to write a nice review for this beautiful Oracle deck on Etsy. So until next time, please stay safe, healthy, and on top of everything, happy. Bye bye.